Parvati Stotra, His Divine Grace, I see Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki. Jai Om Vishnupada Paramahansa Parvati Stotra, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Maharaj ki. Anand Koti Vaishnav Bind ki. Namacharya Sri Haridas Thakur ki. Prem se ho Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Swasadi Gaur Bhakti. Shri Shri Radha Krishna Govinath Samkur Radha Krishna Shri Gauranga Dham ki jai. Shri Shri Braj Govinda Dham ki jai. Mayapur Dham ki jai. Ganga Yamuna Mai Bhakti Devi Tulsi Maharani ki jai. Samved Bhakti Vind ki jai. Harinam Sankirtan ki. Shri Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu Apriyan Jai ki. Nitai Gaur Premanande. Gaur Grashya Samudhi Mudhi Saur Grashya Samudhi. Gaur Grashya Samudhi. Gaur Grashya Simbura and Gauranga. Announcement and Abhishek.
Hare Krishna. Thank you for being here, everyone, this evening. We're going to start the Abhishek soon. It'll start at about 7:15. Right now, there's going to be prayers for the Singadev, and the Kirtan will start. Also, outside, we're going to have a little Holika fire. You're welcome. That's going to start somewhere between 7:15 and 7:30. And prasadam is just about to be served now. So prasadam will start now and will continue throughout the evening. So just a few notes for everybody. If you're sitting behind this blue thing here, this is great. Everybody should be sitting, because otherwise everyone won't be able to see the Abhishek that's going on. If you're on the side, that's going to be okay. You need to stand over there. You're not blocking anybody. So if you're sitting within the blue barrier, if you're within here, we ask everyone to be sitting. Thank you for bearing with us. It's a little bit crowded. But there will be darshan until 8:30, keep in mind. So if it's a little uncomfortable, there is another kirtan going outside, and there will be the holy fire there as well. So thank you. We're just going to